Hi everyone. Let's see what is bootstrapping in machine learning and how is it done. In machine learning, bootstrapping refers to a resampling technique. This involves generating multiple datasets by sampling with replacement from an original dataset. It is commonly used for estimating statistical quantities, assessing model performance, and building ensemble models. Now let's look at the process of bootstrapping. Step 1 is starting with an original dataset containing a set of samples or observations. Step 2 is resampling, which is randomly selecting samples from the original dataset with replacement. Now, with replacement means that a sample can be selected multiple times, while some samples may not be selected at all. Step 3 is Bootstrap dataset. Now we create a new dataset by including the selected samples which were selected in the last step. This new dataset is known as a Bootstrap sample. Step 4 is model training. In step 4, we use the Bootstrap sample to train a machine learning model. This can involve various algorithms and techniques based on the problem at hand, such as decision trees, neural networks, or support vector machines, anything. Step 5, Model Evaluation. In step 5, we assess the performance of the trained model on the original dataset or a separate validation dataset. This evaluation provides insights into the model's ability to generalize unseen data. Step 6, Repeat. In step 6, we basically repeat steps 2 to 5 multiple times to generate multiple bootstrap samples, and then we train corresponding models and evaluate their performance. Step 7, Aggregation. In this step, we aggregate the results from the multiple trained models to obtain an ensemble prediction or estimate. That is all about what is bootstrapping in machine learning and how it is done. The key idea behind bootstrapping is to simulate multiple datasets from the original data, allowing for robust estimation of model performance and reducing the impact of sample variations. It is especially useful when the available data is limited, and it also helps addressing issues such as overfitting and bias. That's all about bootstrapping. See you in the next video.